Hey there guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host as always, Victoria Fox, and this month we are covering a D.Va from Overwatch inspired look. Now there's actually two looks because I got super inspired by the D.Va short that Overwatch released this past month. So we're going to be doing the beginning look, which is kind of a dressed down, hanging around and fixing her mech kind of look. And the second look is her regular kind of battle ready look. So let's get started. First we're doing D.Va's more casual look. I'm starting off with concealer, foundation, and powder to seal it all in. Here I'm using L'Oreal foundation and Wet n Wild concealer. D.Va's skin is flawless, so I really tried my best here and took my time. Next, we're bronzing the cheekbones and chin. When applying to the cheeks, keep it concentrated to the outside of the face. Here, I'm using Mechs Highly Illogical Bronzer. Now we'll make the cheeks extra rosy. Here, I'm using a very pink City and Color blush with a big fluffy brush. Applying it generously by loading up my brush with the color and stippling it on. Add some of this color to your chin and tip of your nose. Using a picture of D.Va as reference, recreate her brow shape using a small detail brush and some brown shadow. Apply a darker tan base color to your lids. Here I'm using Danger from the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. With a fluffy brush, apply a light brown color like Urban Decay's 1987 to the outer corner of your lids and blend it. Line the top of your upper lash line with a black pencil liner. You want the line to be thicker, but not too thick. Blend out that liner with a small brush and a black shadow. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Blackout. Using a black liquid liner, line your top lash line lightly, bringing it out to a point. With our reference pictures, we can see that D.Va has thick and dramatic eyelashes. Using the liner, you'll recreate those shapes. You'll also line your bottom lash line from your outer corner to the center and blend that out with your small brush and black shadow. Add a light eyeshadow like Urban Decay's Skimp to your brow bone and inner corner. Apply your favorite mascara. Line your outer lips with a dark pink liner like Contour Cosmetics Stud. Then fill in your entire lips with a nude pink like NYX's Stockholm and blend it with the liner. I also added a touch of Macy and Mia's Ava lip gloss to the inside of my lips for a little shine. Now for the dirt on D.Va's face. Here I'm using Dirtworks Dark Brun Dirt Powder and my finger to apply the dirt with my reference photo as guidance. She has a large smudge on her right cheek and a few small spots on the left side of her face. Put your hat and headset on and you're ready to fix that mech. Let's dish the dirt and let that hair down. Here we'll be working towards D.Va's signature battle ready look. First we'll tackle the lips. The color from before is pretty close to what we want, so I just added ColourPop's Ipsy VIP gloss over top to make it a bit of a brighter pink. I created D.Va's cheek marks by first outlining and filling them in with a bright pink lipstick and a detail brush. Here I'm using Mellow's Candy Floss Matte Lipstick. I'm now fixing any issues with my shapes from before and filling in the shapes with a bright pink shadow that matches the lipstick I used. This doesn't have to be a perfect match, but pretty close is appreciated. It's important that you focus primarily on the outsides of the shapes. Throw on that headset and it looks like you're ready to get back in the game. Alright, there you have it. Here is one of our finished looks, as you've already seen the other one. If you guys have any requests for future videos, please put them in the comments below. And I cannot wait to see you guys next month for Halloween. I have a lot of fun stuff planned, and I can't wait to create it all and show you guys. See you next time.